friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's learn. Today we'll see the answers of test number 12. So shall we begin? Now first question is write meanings of. In that first is jiddi. Then there are two words for jiddi: adamant or stubborn. See, adamant or stubborn. Now second, जिसे अपने भले बुरे की खबर नहीं है, here irrational man. Irrational man. Okay. Now third, बहुत खर्च करने वाला is called prodigal. Prodigal. Now fourth, गंवार is called rustic. Fifth is रूढ़िवादी. रूढ़िवादी is called orthodox. Okay. Question number 2. Answer the following questions. First one is which animal gives us wool? Then answer will be the sheep gives us wool. Okay. Now second one is what is the young one of a lion called? Very easy. The young one of a lion is called a cub. See, the young one of a lion is called a cub. Next is what is another name of Chiku? Another name of Chiku is Sapodilla. Let's see. Another name of Chiku is Sapodilla. Next is what is another name of Tinda? Another name of Tinda is apple god. Okay. Another name of Tinda is apple god. Fifth one is which are root vegetables? Now answer will be carrot, radish and beetroot are root vegetables. Let's see. Carrot, radish and beetroot are root vegetables. Question number 3. Translate into English. In that first one is कितने शर्म की बात है? Then answer will be what a shame. See, What a shame. Now next, कितना अपमानजनक है ये. How disgraceful. Next is, मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't bother me. Don't bother me. And other one is, do not get on my nerves. See, don't bother me, or you can say do not get on my nerves. Next, इस बॉक्स में कुछ भी नहीं है. Then we can write, there is nothing in that box. Or you can say is there, so here this, in this box. Now, कुछ दिनों पहले आपका स्वास्थ्य कैसा था. Then here, how was your health a few days ago. Question now. Let's see. How was your health a few days ago? Means कुछ दिनों पहले आपका स्वास्थ्य कैसा था. Sixth one is, क्या कोई परेशानी है. Then we will write, is there any problem. Question mark. Let's see. Is there any problem? Means क्या कोई परेशानी है. Now seventh, दोपहर के खाने में क्या है. In English, what's the menu for lunch? Question mark. Let's see. What's the menu for lunch? Next is, इस समय उसके पास थोड़े बहुत ही अनाज होंगे. Now here, at this time, he will have very few grains. Let's see. At this time, he will have very few grains. Ninth one is, वे सभी बच्चे हमारे 10th B क्लास के हैं. Then here, all those children are from our 10th B class. All those children are from our 10th B class. Last one is, हमारे घर के सभी लोग आधुनिक ख्यालों के हैं. Then answer will be, all the people from our house are permissive. Or you can say modern. Let's see. All the people from our house are permissive or modern. I hope your answers would be correct. If you have any doubt, please comment. and comment your scores. Do like, share and subscribe, and for further notification hit the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe.